Hello guys, today I just made a $350 by just using only this two very easy step. It's trend line, I mean the support and resistance, and break of structure. So what's support and resistance? The support and resistance is creating when we have a support and resistance like this, all right? This is our support and this is our resistance, all right? Which is very easy to identify. And how do we take trades? With by just knowing support and resistance. So with support and resistance, we are going to be looking for break of structure. What's the break of structure? The break of structure is we are going to be looking for a a candlestick that is going to close above this resistance level or below this resistance level, right? Which is easy. So what we are going to do by just using that. So if a candlesticks close above this resistance, we are going to be waiting for retest at this level to open our trade to go short. And if the same thing happens to here, if a candlestick close here, we are going to be waiting for retest at the structure area. Then we are going to open our positions to go long. All right. So I'm not gonna make this video long because it's just going to be a pure information, right? So I'm gonna need to go in replay mode, right? So we're going to replay. So what do we see here? Let me open it. So yeah, we are having, wait a minute. So we are creating our zone. This is going to be our support, and this is going to be our resistance. Yes. So what are we going to wait for? What are we going to be waiting for? We want to see a candlesticks close here or here, and we are going to be waiting for retest like this. Okay. So let's skip, and we have a like shittiest chart we can ever see. You cannot trade. You cannot take a trade in that area. You're going to lose. All right. Or you're not. If you win, you're not going to win big. So let's watch. Yes. And this is where we're going to take our trade. You know, with this candlestick, just here, we broke structure. And this is our confirmation candle. This candle. With this candle, we retested. With this candle first, we break structure. And with this candle, we retested. Then we are going to open our trade at this area. We're going to put our stop loss at that swing low. And for the most important part, where are we going to put our stop losses? Take profits. My bad. So our first take profit one is going to here. So I am gonna make this take profit a much higher because we broke a very strong, very protective support. So we are gonna expect the price go lower because it's a very good, it's a very um how to say it's a very protective and it's hard to break, right? So we see every time the price comes here, it's gonna respect our support and go up. Same thing also in this level. All right. So I also wanna put out my second take profit to this low right here. This low right here. So we're gonna jump on a 5-minute time frame again. And like this. All right. It's 5 to 6 win ratio rate, which is very good. So let's watch what happens next. Boom. With that one information, we just win a trade. I just won a $350 by just using trend lines and break of structure. if we break the support or the resistance level, what are we gonna do? We are gonna be waiting for the retest to the structure area, and we are going to the opposite. So, which was like that.